My name is Jacek Jutowski. I'm from Mats Clausen Institute, University of Southern Denmark. We are leading the project from, let's say, technological point of view. So we are standing behind development of methods actually to see those really small nanoplastics or microplastics, and developing new methods, new sensing methods, new detection, but also the methods which are enable us really to identify very complex environment, surroundings, as well as the objects, because there's actually many materials which are falling into very broad definition of plastics.
So my name is Anja Engel and I'm from GEOMAR, Helmholtz Center for Ocean Research in Kiel. And the role of GEOMAR is to do the environmental sampling. GEOMAR has large experience in doing field work at sea, sampling the ocean, examining the ocean, study ocean processes. And our role in plastic is to exactly do this, so to sample environmental plastic and to develop systems that allows us to sample environmental plastics. In particular, with a focus on nanoparticles, because nanoparticles are very small. We cannot see them with the naked eye, and we currently do not have a proper method to really sample this at sea. And this is one of the solutions that we hope that we can contribute to the Plasttrack project, that we will be able to sample nanoplastic from the ocean environment.
Mit navn er Martin, og jeg arbejder ved Interreg, og jeg er projektkonsulent. Og jeg er projektkonsulent for projektet Plasttrack, og projektet bidrager til at forbedre miljøet og livskvaliteten for borgerne i vores programregion. Og havet kender ingen grænser, og derfor vil projektresultaterne også gavne andre regioner ud over vores egen.
So we do our science, of course, because we have a scientific research question and we are interested in this, but we do not only do this for our own. We hope that we can do it in the benefit of society and to get the interest of the society, to get the interest of the people here in Sønderborg to the science that we are doing, and also to make them aware about the problem of plastic pollution and how difficult it is to assess plastic pollution once plastic is released into the environment. That would be really, I think, a nice achievement for this stop in Sønderborg.